We are so winging it. All right, we're going on vacation, and this is how we roll. Ha ha! Da-dunch. You like my hat?
That's beautiful.
Have you seen my Milwaukee?
Oh God.
So you said I got a letter from Milwaukee?
Yes. Yeah.
Well, I thought you said I get to open it at the end of the video.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
okay.
Yeah,
all right. So I wanted to show you a quick something. Right? Everyone has seen this. Right? This one. Okay.
Just like this one.
All right. So I bought another one to show you this because I'm gonna keep the tag on it. Let's look at it closely. There's a treat. All right. Okay. Guys, pay attention. Look at the tag. Did you know? Paper tag. Right there. Look.
Right there?
What does it say? Read it.
That one says.
You're not on camera.
It says duct tape and more.
More. Did you know? We're getting right to this. This isn't clickbait. We're gonna watch. We're gonna turn this. We're gonna come over here.
Okay. Now what are we doing?
Watch. You lift it up. Oh.
You said you were gonna.
I was for the. Okay. Where are you going? Watch this. Look.
Wait. Can I do
Painter's
these
tape.
ones? And then
Wait,
we've
you're gonna
got.
insert it.
We've got packing tape. We've got. What do you call this one?
Duct tape. It's just blue.
Oh. Okay. And then this one's.
Even electrical tape.
Electrical tape, and then this one's like some weird stretchy bandagey tape.
So this is wire. This is wire harness tape. So as long as you don't have a tiny hole, right? And if you're stuck with a bigger hole one, you're good.
Okay. And then what can you do with it?
Look. So now we can take it. Right? Watch this.
Okay.
I have a PACKOUT over here.
Over there?
So it can go on a PACKOUT.
Okay.
Okay. It can go on the PACKOUT wall grid, which you're trying to show them. Watch.
Okay. I'm gonna turn.
Over.
Oh, I'm in the way. Hold on.
Your sexy shoulders.
Let me go.
Look,
Let me see
look.
over here.
All my tape right there.
Right there.
And you can take. Watch this. Let's do it close to the screen. Look. Watch. So if you had this on the front of your PACKOUT, the front of your PACKOUT. Weird you say that. You can just grab it.
And you can just pull.
Peel tape right off, right? Let's show them the front of the PACKOUT. Grab the camera. Grab the camera.
Oh, I gotta grab the whole
Look,
thing?
look,
Oh,
look.
gosh. Oh, jeez. Okay.
Oh, the whole time.
I got the, well, too bad I got the whole thing. I just,
Okay. Watch, look. It's a Joey,
okay.
right?
Yep.
Front of the PACKOUT.
That's pretty cool.
Or, like, come down here lower. Look.
Jeez. Okay.
Stack smarter. And
Yeah.
This one locks. Front of the PACKOUT. Now you got all your rolls of tape.
Yeah.
You can bring them with you. So say, for example, you have a big old spool of cotton. Oh, hey, we're down here. My helmet's safe. Let's keep going.
Yeah, we're down
say,
here.
Bo, come here.
Bo doesn't want
So
Bo.
say you have one of
Look,
those
he's right
big
there.
caution tapes. Any other thing on rolls, you just put it on
Yeah.
here. And look, if you can pop it off. You can get to the one you want. It's really easy. It stays there. Instead of you bringing a bunch of the hooks with you, just bring this guy.
That's pretty cool. And how much was it?
It's like $20. And
That's
then
not
look,
bad.
we're done.
Yep.
Here, let's take it over here.
Oh, boy.
This is where I actually plan on putting this one.
Oops, sorry,
Right?
Bo.
Wall grid.
Wall
If
grid.
I have a clear spot.
You better make a slide.
Boom. Tape. Out of the way.
Let me see. Your helmet's in the
My
way.
helmet's in the way.
Your
Look how
head.
cool that is.
Your head's in the way.
So, it's not a long video. It's not a complex video, but a lot of
It's
you...
like a, hey, did you know this?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Because, you know, what's that guy on TikTok?
Um,
Where he says, oh, man, are you kidding? What does he say?
Oh, yeah. You show me those videos all the time.
Yeah, whatever. Comment below. Let me know what they're getting.
I don't remember what the guy
But it's
is.
not just for paper towels.
It's for tape.
Hazard, caution tape, floor tape, anything that's got a big hole. So if you got a bunch of things around the house with a big hole, you can just slide it right on here.
I can think of a couple other uses for that. Oh, Bo, I'm sorry.
Hey, I'm not saying that PACKOUT Princess has, okay, not even the girlfriend. Just saying. I like honestly, I had to go to the store and buy something with a big hole because everything around here was like this. Nice and small. All right, we've punned the crap out of this. Okay, do I get to open my letter?
Yes. Let me turn this around and I'll watch you read it.
Okay.
That'll be better. Hold on. Okay, JakeOfALL, you've got it. It says
official.
to Jake
From Milwaukee Tools. What's funny is
that's so official.
they're not called Milwaukee Tool either. They're called Milwaukee Tool, not Tools.
Oh, I'm sorry about
okay,
that.
so I got a letter. Dear the JakeOfALL, all right, we really love your exciting and original content that keeps people entertained and for hours and hours of enjoyment. PACKOUT Princess is pretty cool. We know a lot of people like her, but they really prefer you. Okay, I agree.
Yeah.
We regret to inform you that it is too late to attend NPS. Flip over.
Wait, this is like the second year in a row.
Oh, but, you know, DeWalt sucks.
DeWalt does suck.
So,
Is that the official word?
we won't be at NPS. Boo, hoo. But,
guess what?
DeWalt sucks.
DeWalt. And like your sister.
Okay, so.
What if you don't have a sister but you only have a brother? So then does it suck like your brother?
I don't know. You know what? Let's flip it back around. Let's tell him goodbye.
Okay.
We're starting it here. Okay.
Woo!
She's playing with the dog, and then the dog's gonna poop. Dog is just staring at me, literally, like, have you seen my baseball? See, that's just as bad as the last part I cut. I'm leaving this clip in. Okay. All right. So we won't be at NPS. Kids go back to school next week.
Oh my God.
So maybe the videos, you know, a little bit more production value.
Yeah.
But I have kept a bunch of tape on mine for a while. And then I needed paper towels because, you know, her dog's taking a dump in the garage. So then I had to put paper towels back on it. And I was like, you know, let's just buy 2. So
Right.
did you know, I want you to
know?
comment below, did you know other hacks for any of the Milwaukee, any of the accessories, but specifically somebody also pointed out they're really cool, you know, did you know you can use the bit thing? And I'm like, yeah, I put that in a YouTube video like 6 months ago when Milwaukee announced the new Shockwave bit cases. So yeah, we want to know below, comment
Do you
what
have
your
any other-
favorite like hack
Yeah.
is.
Did you know facts?
We've given away everything, and we are getting in our batch of 3D printed latches for the charge outs. So we're going to be super busy, and those are going to be.
We still have stuff available at shop.jakeofall.com.
Oh, she's saying buy some stuff because she's having to do her own lashes.
I am. Look at these things. They don't look too bad though for me doing them
But
myself.
what else is also here? Let's back up a little bit. Let's back up a little so they can enjoy this sexiness. The PACKOUT, the PACKOUT replacement, in theory is coming, and you guys will get maybe some of the references we've been having. This is like literally, I move and I'm like, hey, look, they can see me, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna go hide in the corner.
Closer.
Nobody puts baby in the corner.
Oh,
All right,
man.
so we're on vacation. You guys have a good one.
Yes.
It's time to pack out
Yes,
because I have a
that's nice.
full glass of ice with a little bit of bourbon, or maybe a full glass of bourbon with a
From
little bit
St.
of ice.
Augustine Distillery.
All right,
Shout out.
pack out, leave your comments,
Bye.
subscribe, all that good fun stuff. Say goodbye to them. Pack out.